So if the pump won't stall in the upstroke, it's one of a few different things. We all know there's a little check ball inside here. A piece of dirt may be stuck between the ball and seat. Now that's not so common. Typically, in the downstroke will work the piece of dirt through. But it does happen from time to time if they get like a piece of a rag in it or a little chunk from a gasket lid. That tends to be what I find in those upper check balls. But that's the first thing you check. And then while you're in there, you check the cup seal. If the cup seal is damaged, when it's moving up through the cylinder, it's creating a vacuum. So the material, the pressure of the material, when it's moving in the upstroke, this is the pressure side of the cup seal. So the material itself is pushing these lips out against the cylinder walls, maintaining a tight seal. If your cup seal is damaged or nicked, then it'll allow the material to move between the cylinder wall and the cup seal. And it's going to go up through. Now, if that happens, it won't take long until it's going to destroy that valve seal, and it can destroy the cylinder too, because now you have what we call high pressure erosion. So you want to check that. The only other thing it can be is if the cylinder wall has deep creases in it. Now you have your wear marks on a cylinder are going to be vertical lines. You stick your finger in and turn it, and if you feel a coarse line, several coarse lines, you got to put a new cylinder on. The other thing that sometimes you can get is a cylinder that's worn perfectly smooth on the inside. You're going to think it's fine, but you take your finger like this, and you'll feel a bump. And if you put this valve seal in, it would fit loosely. That means that that cylinder has worn that far that the stroke length of the pump, it's worn in here, and this valve seal isn't making connection. So you throw a new valve seal on, and the pump's going to last for a week, and then it's going to go bad again. So those are the things you want to watch for. If you put your finger in here, you can slightly feel the stroke of the cylinder. You can't feel it as much as you can see it. So these can all look through that cylinder. You should see that. What you see in there is the wear of the stroke length.